Native Thai speakers stack 3 if-thens in one breath, but learners freeze at the first.
ถ้าก็ถ้าก็ถ้าก็
This is the Thai conditional stacking pattern. Each da, if, gets paired with k, then. When Thai speakers plan or describe cause and effect chains, they don't say if A, if B, if C. They say if A, then if B, then if C. The K makes each condition feel connected to the previous one. Like dominoes, you can stack 2, 3, even 4 conditionals naturally in Thai conversation. If I have money, then I'd buy a car. If I buy a car, then I'd drive to Chiang Mai. If I get there, then I'd stay at my friend's place. That's how Thai speakers really talk about future plans. Everything chains together. Never skip the K between conditionals. It's not optional grammar. It's how native ears expect consequence to follow condition. Without it, you sound like you're listing separate wishes, not connected scenarios. Build your first 3 condition chain today.